Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. So today's video is going to be brought to you by Michael, one of our partners here at Cryptopia, and he's going to be bringing you fast and informative tutorial and how-to videos on everything crypto. I hope you enjoy this video and make sure you stick around to the end and hit that like and subscribe button. Over to you, Michael.
Hey Cryptopians, welcome to another tutorial video. John, thanks for the intro. All right everyone, today we're going to be looking at doing some swaps using the Trust Wallet on the desktop through poocoin, trading assets on the Binance Smart Chain. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing, as you can see here, we've got our Trust Wallet pulled up and we've got 0.1 BNB in there to work with today. I'm going to open another tab and pull up poocoin. As you can see here, it's going to be poocoin.app. Make sure that you're only using the correct link. We'll have it in the description below for reference. All right, now that we're here on poocoin, just a little tutorial of what you're looking at. As you can see on the top, it's selected for Binance Smart Chain. We can also do swaps with poocoin on Matic and also the kucoin, but we're just going to do Binance today. As you can see, we need to connect our wallet, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to click MetaMask Trust Wallet. It's going to ask and confirm with our Trust Wallet that we're going to switch over to Binance Smart Chain, so we're going to do that. Going to connect. And as you can see here, once our wallet's connected, it's going to display the balance of everything we have in the wallet from BNB to wrapped BNB, which clearly we don't have any in there, but you can see the balance of the wallet itself. So then we're going to have to find something to actually trade. So let's go ahead and open another window, and we're going to go to CoinMarketCap. You can use CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. In today's demonstration, we're just going to be using CoinMarketCap. Okay, so we need a Binance Smart Chain asset to trade. Let's go ahead and do 8Pay. So we type in 8Pay in the search. It's going to bring up 8Pay. Okay, now that we've got 8Pay pulled up, you can see that its main contract featured here is an Ethereum contract, but we're doing trades on the Binance Smart Chain, so we want to make sure to have the Binance Smart Chain contract. So we're going to put our mouse over here where it says more, click on that, and it's going to give us our Binance Smart Chain BEP20 contract. We're going to go ahead and copy that. Then I'm going to come back over here to poocoin, and we're going to paste that address into poocoin. As you can see here, it's pulled up 8Pay. We're going to go ahead and click on it. And now we have 8Pay pulled up in poocoin, and we can do some trading with it in a second here. But just to kind of give you a rough idea, this is going to give you your information over here on the left-hand side, your total supply, your market cap, and the different liquidity within the different areas. Then you've also got your BSC scan information for transactions, contract holders, and dev wallet checker. You also have a chart here that you can use to look at the progress of the currency itself and where it is in its current state. On the top right here, you've got a shortcut where you can click to actually view the contract itself on the BSC scan. And then you've got the trade button and the wallet button. Today we're going to focus on using the trade button. And once we click the trade button, it's going to bring us up here where we can actually start doing the swap itself. Some of the things to go over is it allows you to use Pancake version 1, version 2, or auto. Most time when auto is selected, it's going to do Pancake version 2. Then we come down to slippage itself. So what slippage is when you're going to purchase a token, it allows for a certain amount of variance between the actual price of when you're doing this transaction and what it is in the moment between the time you start the transaction to when it's finished. A lot of times you can use auto slippage and it'll account for that and get you the best price possible. If your transactions are not going through, you want to increase that slippage, I would recommend starting out at 5% and increasing it in 2% increments, or just doing 5%, 10%, 15%. And on the top here, you can see that we're paying with BNB BEP20, which is on the Binance Smart Chain. And we have 0.1 in our wallet. We're going to put half of that in there. So 0.05 is going to get us 609.942 8Pay. We have to only use half of this, because if we use all of our BNB, then we won't have any left over to pay for gas to do transactions. And if you don't have gas to do transactions and you want to turn around and sell something, you're not going to be able to do that. So you always want to keep some BNB on the side to be able to cover your gas transactions. Another thing to note here is if we click on the token that we're paying with, there are some options of BEP20 tokens. So we've got BNB BEP20, and we've got BUSD BEP20, USDT BEP20, Bitcoin BEP20, and Ethereum BEP20. You can use those to pay for your transactions on here, but you're always going to need BNB to be able to pay for gas transactions. Okay, so now we've got our selected quotes here. We're looking at 0.05 BNB. It's going to get us 609 8pay. Our auto slippage is on. We're on auto select for using Pancake version 2 or Pancake Swap version 2. We're going to go ahead and click swap. It's going to ask us to confirm the transaction in our Trust wallet. And now the transaction has successfully completed and we have 609 8pay in our Trust wallet. Now let's go back over to our Trust wallet. And what we're going to do is add this token to Trust wallet. So we're going to click on Manage Tokens and we're going to paste that same contract address in the search here. As you can see, it gives us some options for 8pay tokens. We're going to go ahead and click the one that's on the Binance Smart Chain. As you can see here, it's on the Smart Chain. Now we've enabled that. We're going to go back to the wallet itself. And as you can see here, it's now displaying the 609 8pay tokens that we purchased using poocoin. Just a little note, going back over here to poocoin, if we wanted to sell, what we're going to do is click this little arrow button here, which is going to swap these. This is the easiest way to do it. You can go, so let's go back, and we want to pull up 8pay. We can paste that contract in here, and we will be able to pull up 8pay this way. But what we really want to do, if we're going to sell into one of these different BEP20 tokens or currencies like we originally purchased with BNB. So let's say we're going to sell back to BNB. What we can do is click this arrow here, and it will swap the two currencies. So now we can sell 609 and we'll get 0.049 BNB back. In order to do this, on every BEP20 token, you're going to have to do an initial approval. The initial approval is right here where we click Approve 8pay. It's going to go over to our Trust wallet, and we're going to have to confirm that in our Trust wallet. As you can see there, it also charges for gas to do the approval. So that's why I said always have extra BNB in your wallet for doing approvals. Now that we've done the approval, we can go ahead and swap back to BNB if we want to. So let's go ahead and do that. And now we've sold all of that 8pay and brought it back to BNB. We go back over to our Trust wallet. We no longer have any 8pay, but we do have 0.0982 BNB left in our wallet. All right, everyone. So this concludes the tutorial of utilizing Trust Wallet on your desktop to run the dApp poocoin to be able to trade assets on the Binance Smart Chain. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, or if there's anything else you'd like us to do tutorial videos on. Please be sure to check out some of John's videos. They're fast and informative and on some really great projects that have huge potential. You can find us over in Telegram, where we have a public chat where we offer ICO sales to anyone without any barrier to entry. We also have a Patreon group that increases your allocation and allows you to get in on more sales, and we also have buy, sell, and stake alerts in there. It's only $10 a month, and it's something I highly recommend checking out, especially if you're new to the space or you want to make some money. Please be sure to check us out on all of our different socials. We're on Discord, we're on Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.